Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Sora 2 in CapCut PC. So this new integration is a game changer for creators and it will bring OpenAI's hyper-realistic high-fidelity text-to-video and also image-to-video model directly into your favorite V-editor CapCut. So in this video, I'm going to show you where to find the new AI video workspace and how you can create an ultra realistic video using Sora 2 only on CapCut. So you can just open your CapCut and here I've already on the editing timeline and you can just go to the media tab in here, click on media, then click on this AI media. Click on the drop down and there will be these options AI video. So click on that and click on text to video, and here in the model type you can just click on the drop down and choose Sora 2. So Sora 2 excels at turning text into videos and it doesn't support photos of real people. You can just click on this one. So here I'm going to use this prompt. A slow tracking shot following a fur clock figure walking between colossal 30-foot crystalline flowers that refract twilight light into slow-moving rainbows. And the ground is a snow-covered plain of iridescent moon dust. Here, for the durations, you can choose between 4 seconds until 12 seconds. I'm going to just go with 8. And you can choose the aspect ratio, whether it's landscape or vertical if you want to upload it to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Reels, you can use the vertical one. And in here, I think since it is new, so CapCut give you a free use once in here. So you only need 0 credits to generate using Sora. And you have one chance only. You can just tap on generate in here and wait for the video to finish. So the video is done. You can just click on the play button to preview the result. And here in CapCut, you can edit the video more. You can trim it, you can add music, add captions, or another editing that you want. So guys, that's all for me. That's how you can use Sora 2 in CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.